today's video, we're gonna play a Beyblade battle. Kakalabanan si Victoria's Valtrek, Dream Fafnir, and Dynamite Zessa Achilles. Randomize anong Beyblade kaya napakaganda ko. Victoria's Valtrek versus Dynamite. Okay guys, handa na kayo? 3, 2, 1, go shoot! And 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Uy! Oh, 2 points! Up to 3 rounds po to. Up to 3 points. 2 points for Zessa Achilles. Shoot! Wait lang guys. Ito na guys, tuloy na ang laban. Tuloy na ang laban ni Zessa Achilles. Kamali ako. Let's rip! Ay, kamali! Sorry guys, sorry. Sorry pala guys, kaya ko lang. Uy, ito na guys, nakuha ko na. And 3, 2, let it rip! Let's see who's gonna win. Ooh, 2-1. This is the second battle. Ito na guys, in second round. Ayun guys, oh. Na-burst na guys. Na-burst na. With the win. Now, this battle royale, let's use Drain Fafnir next with na guys. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Ay, lumakit sa kanan ko. Sorry guys. Ulit na natin. Ulit. Ay, sorry. Ba't palabas yung lunch ko? Puro lumalabas. Okay. Ay. Bakit Dynamite Bay siya? Sorry guys kung late na ako na lunch. Stamina. This win with the stamina battle. 1 point. Second round. Let it rip. Let it rip. Second battle wins with the survival. 0-1 pa lang to. Guys. Lakasan ko ni lunch ko guys, mana kasi. Kaya na guys. This day wins with the best finish. Ito naman guys, up to 3 rounds. This naman, itong dalawa naman guys. Ito naman dalawa. Send the shoot. Want to shoot?
Wait, that? Hindi. They're so pangit.
Burst it now. No burst today. Oh, hinawakan ko yun guys. Edi 1-0. 1-0 guys yung round. Ito na guys, tuloy na ang laban. That's a draw. Bakit siya draw guys? Di nyo nakita. Slow-mo nyo or kaya nyo slow-mo. Gumanto kasi yung Beyblade na may ikot siya dito. Basta tumama na malakas yung ganito. Kahit na pag ganito siya, na-burst pa din siya guys. May kasalakas ng ikot. Basta to din nawala din ng ikot. Bila draw finish. Ito naman guys. Ito naman. Let rip. Let rip. Ay, tumalon. Sorry. Ito na guys. Ito na talaga yung round. Wait lang guys. Chiki. Okay. Kasabi ko lang huwag ka manggulo, diba? Ito na guys, ang laban. Ito na guys, and please on the shoot. Wow guys! Wait lang guys. Sorry pala guys sa ingay. Nag-away yung dalawang kapatid. Ay, tsaka may channel din pala. Kapatid ko. Pangalan ng channel niya ay Shiro Juliano or Cool Shiro yung pangalan ng account niya. At saka account ko naman nakikita niya yung ginagad doon. For everyone naman yun. And naman 2 points na to at saka 1 point. Yun yung guys. Flip. Flip-flop. Flip-flop. Chiki ka. Hindi ka put in the comments or sino nanalo. Ako inisip ko na draw. Ito na guys. Ito shoot. Wait lang guys. Stop ko lang muna to. And guys, ulitin ko na lang guys. Kamali lang ko. Flip. Wait lang. Let's flip. You see that guys, this win with a burst finish. Kanina guys, kita mo, di ba munti ka na sa may stamina ng bigla na lang na burst.
Yeah.
Ito na guys, yung laban nila. Joke lang, guys. This is the end. Goodbye, guys. See you in the next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya. See ya, guys.